In today's digital age, protecting your privacy has never been more important. From social media to shopping online, every action you take can be tracked and sold. But don't worry, here's how you can take control and protect your personal information. Whenever you browse the web, your activity is being tracked by cookies, trackers, and ads that follow you around the internet. But most of the time, you don't even realize it. Every like, comment, and share on social media platforms adds to your digital profile. Companies use your interests to target you with ads, while data brokers can sell that info to the highest bidder. Apps and websites use your phone's GPS to track your location. They even track you when your location services are turned off, thanks to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Your data can be stolen in a data breach and used for identity theft. If your personal information is compromised, it could lead to major financial loss or fraud. Data brokers also sell your information to businesses that practice price discrimination, meaning you might pay more for the same item just because they know you're willing to spend it. Start by using privacy-focused browsers and search engines like Brave or DuckDuckGo that don't track your searches or online activity. Check your app permissions regularly and deny access to your camera, microphone, and location unless absolutely necessary. This can prevent apps from spying on you. Using a virtual private network (VPN) encrypts your internet connection, hiding your activity from hackers and advertisers, especially on public Wi-Fi. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your accounts to add an extra layer of security. This way, even if someone steals your password, they still need your phone to access your account. Go through your social media accounts and adjust privacy settings regularly. Make sure you're only sharing what you're comfortable with. The internet is a powerful tool, but it's also full of threats to your privacy. By taking simple steps like using VPNs, controlling app permissions, and monitoring your data, you can regain control and protect yourself. Share this video with others so we can all stay safe in the digital world. Like, share, and subscribe for more privacy tips.